Hey guys, what's up? It's Logan here today. I got another video on dominoes. This will be a tutorial video on how to create the domino launcher. Now, domino launcher is an amazing trick that only requires a rubber band and some tape. It was created by Capilomino, who used it in tons of his videos. Make sure to go check out his channel. Now, you might realize that I'm not showing my face because I'm hiding something in the background. I'm working on a project for a futures video, and I can't afford to show you because it's just simply too cool. Now, I didn't upload yesterday because I was working on it, and well, let's just get into it. Now first, let's grab our dominoes. I want to grab 2 dominoes, put it flat down like this. Then I grab a piece of tape, just a small piece of tape. You want to tape those 2 dominoes together. Just like so. Then you want to tape any one of those 2 dominoes to your table or desk or grounds, which you want to use it. Now you want this to be firm. You don't want to lift off the ground because when the domino flicks, it might take the other domino with it. So you want to see. Let's grab a bit longer piece of tape. So I'm gonna place it on top of here. I want to create a 90-degree angle between the domino and the desk. Well, you might be using tape. You want to do this with the other side. I'm just going to choose a random domino. There we go, nice and firm. Okay, now you want to use a rubber band. Make sure the rubber band's smaller than the 2 dominoes taped together. But I try to find a smaller rubber band, but I couldn't find one, so I'm just going to use this one. You want to wrap it around your 2 dominoes, just like so. You want to grab another domino and want to put it under the domino that's not taped to the desk. You want to leave about 1 thickness apart between the domino and this domino that's taped to the other one. Then you want to do this again. Oh, I messed up. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Sorry, I have such a big rubber band. So let's just fix that. Okay, now you want to place another domino under this. You want to be very careful because you don't want this to flick off. Okay, and it's done. Okay, now you want to grab another domino and put it on top of the first domino that's slanted. Okay, now all you want to do is build your domino line. Place your first domino on the last domino of your your launcher. This is the trigger, and this is the domino line that causes the trigger to launch this domino. So let's continue our domino line. And there we go, done. See, very simple. So let's knock it down. 3, 2, 1. And there you go. Sorry, I messed up a bit right there. It's because the rubber band is it's a bit too big, so I'm gonna try and fix it next time. But for some tips on this trick, if you're trying to build a very big domino set and you use your domino launcher as your first trick, I would advise that you don't put down the tape or the rubber band yet, because over time, say that your domino fall down takes 2 weeks to accomplish, then the tape might lose its thickness or the rubber band might lose its elasticity. So there's some tips. Now you can launch this into a domino structure, say like an octawall or a speed wall. It's just an extremely cool trick. Now I know that it failed a bit because rubber band, so you want to make sure it's a bit shorter than this. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Just to let you all know, I am working on a new project. It's called A Big Domino Fell Down Part 4. It will be coming out soon. I'm trying to work as fast as possible, but it's a bit difficult. Sorry for all the noise. Swimming in the pool. And sorry for it to fail. Peace.